Happy evening to all. My dear lovable students, I hope that your costing examination has went very well. Sir, after the costing examination, we have to move to the next 4.5 days. What we have to do in this 4.5 days? So today is 12th. Basically, we are having 13, 14, 15 and 16. These are the 4 days plus 17th is our next examination. So generally, first of all, I just want to evaluate the costing exam. Generally, even I will say that after any exam, don't talk about that exam. But I want to talk about the costing examination. Today's examination is not very flat easy like the last time. Today's costing examination is not so tough. It is not unmanageable. It is average. You know one thing? I will tell you one thing. Are you all so feeling the same? You just say in the comments. ICAI has not given the satisfaction that Appada costing exam has been completed. I can assume a 70 plus or 60 plus. That we are not sure is what the paper when I go through I understood. That means there is a benefit of doubt in the sense means will I get 50 plus? Will I get 60 plus? That level of unsatisfaction is there in the mind, students' mind, because even I have talked with some of the students, even they have expressed the same. You know what that level of unsatisfaction will do? It will destroy you. It will destroy the group too. Whenever you are taking the next paper now, you tell me, those who are seeing the live, have you started studying the next paper? Never. Because you are in still the hangover of the costing. You will be thinking today costing. Tomorrow when you take, okay, anyway, 4 days time is there. What I have done, material cost variance, what they have asked. So first, if you are going to seriously write this JAN examination, I will tell you, costing has taken its part. You tell me, every student who have prepared will easily get 50 plus, even though there is benefit of doubt. There are certain 30 mark question is very much possible in the descriptive out of 70 and 20 mark out of 30. Maybe you MCQ, you reduce another 5 mark, 15 mark you put it. Still 5 mark can be added in the descriptive part. That means 50 plus, it may be in 55s, certain people 60 plus. If well and good it is 70 plus, that means this paper has done its job. Then why are you worrying, man? Are you feeling that are you going to get less than 40 marks in costing? If that is the case, then what is the need of studying the other papers? Sir, we will not end up in that position. We are going to get 50 plus. Assume it to be 50 plus or 55 plus, whatever it may be. Costing has done its job. Then my dear lovable students, the remaining papers, for a change this time, we are having FM and SM, and my dear lovable students, then we are having audit. Generally, we are having, sir, audit as second paper. That everyone know. Now, next question. Will FM, SM be tougher? Will audit be tougher? Let me ask you one question. When the CA exam is easy? Just now, Group 1 examination has been done. There are so many students who will be writing, sir, both the groups. You tell me, is the advanced accountancy like +2 paper have they gave? It's lengthy paper, yaar. Come to law, is all the question what you studied in last day revise only exactly came. Still, let it came from the question what you referred. Will you get 100 out of 100? Come to our paper, tax. You talk about DT, man. The most tricky paper because I am tax faculty, I know. It's not as easy, no. You have, sir, faced it. So, number of days will not determine whether it's tough or easy. Point number 1. So, don't think about past, that is costing, useless. Don't think about future, useless. Live in the present is what the first point I just want to tell. I will tell you 70-80% of the students who are going to write in this JAN is going to waste the time. Sir, how I can waste the time? 4.5 days. Then we have to start the preparation, man. Everyone will be thinking about the costing or thinking about the next audit. Audit has been shifted. My sir, fear paper is audit. Will this be? I will be able to this or that. Don't dance it. You start the process. I'm going to start the process. For my students, I'm going to start the process. In the sense means, this is what the strategy we are saying. Sir, we are having one common strategy, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17th is examination. You can split your time like this, my dear lovable students. Sir, from morning 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, one slot. From morning 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, one slot. Then 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock, another slot. Then 3 o'clock to 4, 5, 6, 6 o'clock, another slot. Then 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, rather you can stretch it to 7:30 to 10 o'clock also. So my dear lovable students, on 7 to 10, 10 to 2, 3 to 6 and 7 to 10. 7 to 10 daily morning you have to do, sir, one question paper of financial management, FM. One question paper of FM. FM is the next highest scoring area. Sir, which question paper I have to take? You are having RTP, you are having MTP. Why I'm saying, take the paper, solve all the question, like one question from leverage analysis, one question from ratio analysis. That means one question paper from EFM, one question paper from EFM, one question paper from EFM. Here also on 17th, one question paper from EFM. Any RTP, MTP, you can choose it daily, one question paper you have to write. Why are you not serious? From morning 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, if your examination of FM is only going to be 1.5 hours, because another 1.5 hours you are having a sum. I am allotted 3 hours of time. Why can't you complete that? If you write 5 papers, my dear lovable students, and do the correction by your own, you will be feeling super comfortable with the FM. Then the next slot, 10 to 2 o'clock. Daily you have to study audit. Daily you have to study audit. Daily you have to study audit. Audit and audit. What I have to study, man? This is what the timetable for studying. 13th, tomorrow morning. Sir, nature, objective and scope. Essay 210, SQC 1, Essay 220, ethics, planning, Essay 320 and Essay 450. Take 3 to 4 hours of time. Complete this. Properly complete this. On 14th, Essay 700 series, Caro 260, 265, 315. Take 3 to 4 hours of time. Properly complete this. 15th, 500 series and 330. Properly complete this. Properly complete this. That means, sir, you have not completed the entire audit, sir. If I put the schedule, will you complete 100%? Is it possible? No. Whatever you are studying, this topic you make it thorough, then still we are having 1.5 days. In that 1.5 days, we can re-revise these things and we can focus on the another areas. That's how I used to study when I was a student. The same thing I'm saying to you also. Whatever you are revising, you revise properly, my dear lovable students. So that's what, 10 to 2 daily audit. Then 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Again, sir, one question paper from EFM. 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 And one question paper from EFM. 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, the last part, the evening part, sir, 10 o'clock to 10:30, 11, you have to study strategic management, strategic management, strategic management. Anyway, on the 16th, we will not be study audit because of exam. Here we will be studying the strategic management, my dear lovable students. Daily 3 to 4 hours of strategic management. That means we are going to give proper importance to SM, proper importance to FM, and also we are going to study audit, my dear lovable students. That's what the revision plan from my side, from our side for the next 4.5 days. And this topics has been taken after consultation with Jayashree ma'am. So daily, on a daily basis, you have to complete this, man. And in this slot of SM, that is 3 to 6, you should not take 3 hours because SM is for that. In this 1 hour, you have to revise items of financial statement, 3 items per day and 3 types of entities per day in the FM slot again. This will be a master strategy for you. My dear lovable students, from our side, we are going to take an initiative. Any student who are in South India, whether you are ANM classes face-to-face student, ANM classes virtual student, or anyone, if you are going to follow this timetable for next 4.5 days, we are creating a WhatsApp group. The link of the WhatsApp group is available below the video. You can join in that video, and after completion of every slot, we will ask you to comment your completion. By that way, we will make the group so active, and we will make that 4.5 days so effective. That means I am going to do a personal mentoring for the next 4.5 days, which is absolutely free. I will be there in the group. Jayashree ma'am will be there in the group. We will be commenting the, sir, for the quick completion, we will make a fire and we will never allow you to go down. Sir, now it's a time for strategic management. 7 to 10. Now it's a time for strategic management. Start your game. Start your game. At least top 10 questions you should go through. Matrices you have to write. Don't read the SM. What effect you are giving for FM the same way. Sit and write the strategic management SM. My dear lovable students, at least if you are able to cover 10 question properly from SM, this time, because 10 to 1 prime time has been allotted for audit. And that's why the reason why I've logically apportioned for the FM. So after so much analysis, we have done this, my dear lovable students. Have a proper schedule. That too, 3 hours FM pattadu. That's a scoring paper. 3 to 4 hours given for SM. We have not avoided audit. This will be the master strategy. If you are feeling that this is master strategy, I just want to know in the comments. And group link will be available. You just join. Let it be 1,000 students also. We are ready to take care of that 1,000 students. And we will be guide you what you are supposed to do in this 4.5 days. We will be there in the group. We will make it super effective. And from our side, for the ESM important topic revisions will be uploaded of the Jayashree ma'ams. That link I will be sharing. Sir, my FM already, sir, super 30 questions are there. And there is no need that those super 30 questions also, you can take any RTP and MTP, you can start working. Are you ready to make this in the Janda? The group name itself is that, in the Jan Matumda. We are going to make it, sir, a real success this time. If you want, the bus seat is ready. Bus seat is there for you. Just come and sit. Don't think balance, we will take care. We'll meet at the appropriate time. Thank you. Bye-bye from ANM.